Hello students, this particular video consists of the marks evaluation for the subject Information Technology IT for the stream Science this year. So basically it has been divided into 4 slots, that is first internal assessment which is for 25 marks. So it will consist of MCQs evaluation or home assignments or other things like online test. Second terminal or the first terminal examination which will be for 50 marks. So it is only regarding the theory. You don't have any type of objectives in it. Next is the second internal assessment. Again it will be for 25 marks. So you'll have all the MCQs in it, or you will get an home assignments, or there will be an online test or online assignment. And the last is the final examination, or you can say that is the second terminal examination, which will be for 100 marks. So basically the 100 marks are divided into two parts, that is 80 marks and for 20 marks. So 80 marks will be theory and 20 marks will be practical. So again practical is divided into two parts, that is 15 and 5. So 15 marks will be for the practical which you do with a proper execution, and 5 marks will be allotted to the journal which you are going to complete during the examination. So there will be 2.5 hours for 80 marks theory paper, and for 20 marks practical you'll get 3 hours. So you have to perform the practical in your college in the practical lab only. So next is the paper pattern, based on how the paper pattern will be for the 25 marks paper. So for unit test 1 or unit test 2, you have the paper pattern like filling the blanks. So the number of questions are 5 and the marks allotted to them are 5. State whether true or false are 5, the marks allotted them are 5. MCQs for 2 correct answers are 5 and the marks allocated for them are 10. So one question carries 2 marks. And the last question is write a program using HTML. So you'll be having programming, and 2 programs will be given to you, and out of that you just have to solve only one, which will be for 5 marks. So for this particular unit test 1, the chapter 1 and chapter 2 are the suggestion given by Maharashtra State Board. So next is the first term exam, that is the half syllabus exam. So the weightage or the marks for this particular exam is 50 marks. The paper pattern will be filling the blanks. There are number of questions 5 and the marks will be 5, 1 mark each. State whether true or false are 5 and the marks allotted are 5, 1 mark each. Multiple choice single answer correct, 10, marks allotted are 10. Multiple choice with 2 correct answers are 5 and the marks allotted are 10, 2 marks each. Multiple choice with 3 correct answer are only 2 and the marks allotted to them are 6, 3 marks each. May match the following are 4 and the marks allotted to them are 4. So then again the question 7 consists of HTML programming. You will be having 2 programs, out of that you have to select one, and it will have a weightage of 5 marks. And again in the B section you will be having 2 programs, out of that you have to select one, and the weightage for that program will be 5 marks. So this is about the term exam, which will consist of chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. The next exam will be conducted, that is the final exam, which will be for 80 marks. So this final exam has a paper pattern like filling the blanks, which will be for 10 marks, 10 questions. State true or false, 10 questions, 10 marks. Multiple choice single answer, 10 question, 10 marks. Multiple choice 2 correct answers, 10 questions, 20 marks. Multiple choice 3 correct answers, 2 questions for 6 marks, and match the pairs, 4 questions for 4 marks. In this particular examination you have answer in brief section, where you have to solve 5 questions out of 8 questions, 2 marks per question. So the marks allotted are 10. Then the next section is the section number 8. Section 8 is divided into A and B, where you have to write the HTML programming. 2 will be given, out of that 1 should be selected, and for each and every HTML program you have 5 marks each. So last is your practical section. So in this section, the whole practical weightage which you have is for 20 marks, and you get a time slot of 3 hours to perform a practical. So there will be a single student has to choose 2 practical sheets, and out of that only 1 practical he has to perform. So the handwritten code should be there, so it will carry 5 marks. Correct typing and a proper syntax will carry 5 marks. Execution of the code, whether the output is right or wrong, so on that basis you will get 3 marks, and the print out of your output code will carry 2 marks. So this is how the 15 marks are being calculated or evaluated, and gross 5 marks will be given to your journal. So this is how total 20 marks practical session should be completed. And there are the topic wise marks distributions also. So the weightage for lesson number 1, that is advanced web designing, will be for 20 marks, and with option it will be 25 marks. Second chapter, introduction to SEO, so the marks will be 10 and marks with options are 12. Advanced JavaScript marks are 15, with option it is 20. Emerging technologies marks will be 10 and marks with options are 12. Server side scripting, that is PHP, the marks are 15 and with option also it is 15. And e-commerce and e-governance, the total mark or the weightage is 10 and with option it is 12. So the overall marks are 80 and with option it will be 96. So these are the marks chapter wise distribution weightage for each and every chapter. So based on it, advanced web designing is for 20 marks, so it is very important, and advanced JavaScript as well as server side scripting, that is PHP, are the very important topics. So these are the other things like objective wise weightage, then weightage on all types of questions, and proposed total questions with marks. So this is all about the evaluation of Maharashtra State Board regarding the information technology IT subject for science stream. So thank you for watching.